Digital marketing. Display advertising. Display advertising. A powerful tool for digital marketing. In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, display advertising stands as a pivotal tool that helps businesses increase their visibility, drive engagement, and ultimately boost conversions. Display ads, in various formats, are an essential part of the advertising ecosystem, allowing marketers to reach a wider audience while communicating their message effectively. Whether it's through banners on websites or ads that appear on social media platforms, display advertising is an impactful strategy that can shape consumer behavior. This post explores the key elements of display advertising, including media selection, metrics for measuring success, the different types of display ads, and what makes an ad truly effective. Media selection for display advertising. Print media. Traditional, yet still effective for local businesses or audiences that engage with printed content. Print ads can be highly targeted based on the publication's readership. Television media. Although less commonly used for digital display ads, TV ads still play a significant role in brand awareness campaigns. With the rise of smart TVs and streaming platforms, display advertising is making its way into this medium as well. Digital media. The heart of display advertising, digital platforms offer a wide range of formats and opportunities for targeting specific audiences based on their online behaviors. Radio media. While radio isn't typically associated with display ads, digital radio platforms like Spotify and Pandora offer options for audio ads with accompanying banners or display elements on their apps and websites. Metrics for display advertising success. 1. Unique users. This metric tracks the number of individual users who have seen your ad, allowing you to understand the size of your audience. It's an essential figure for gauging reach. 2. Page views. This measures how many times a page containing your ad has been viewed. More page views typically indicate higher engagement with the content where the ad is placed. 3. Ad impressions. An ad impression counts each time your display ad is shown to a user. This metric reflects the visibility of your ad across different platforms. 4. Clicks. The total number of clicks your ad receives is a straightforward measure of engagement. This indicates how many users were interested enough to interact with your ad. 5. Click-through rate. The click-through rate is the percentage of people who clicked on your ad after seeing it. This metric is a great indicator of how effective your ad design and call to action are at driving engagement. A higher CTR signifies that the ad is compelling and well-targeted. Type of display advertising. 1. Image ads. Image-based display ads are the most common format. These are static banner ads that typically include visuals. Their simplicity makes them easy to create and widely accepted across various platforms. Image ads are great for building brand awareness and attracting attention with minimal distraction. 2. Rich media ads. These interactive ads use advanced technologies such as HTML5, JavaScript, and Flash to create dynamic and engaging ad experiences. Rich media ads can include animations, video, and interactive elements like quizzes or games. These ads are designed to grab attention and engage users beyond just a simple click. 3. Video ads. Video ads are among the most powerful forms of display advertising because they can convey more emotion and information in a shorter period. These ads are often used on platforms like YouTube, social media, and other video streaming services. Video ads have a high engagement rate as they can convey a brand's message more vividly. What makes a good display ad? Strong call to action. Every good ad has a compelling CTA that prompts the user to take the next step. Whether it's learn more, shop now, or sign up, your CTA should be clear, concise, and actionable. A strong CTA creates a sense of urgency and motivates users to act immediately. Clear and transparent pricing. Price transparency can help reduce uncertainty and make users more likely to engage. Ads that clearly communicate the value proposition, including price points or discounts, tend to drive higher conversion rates. Aesthetic appeal. The design of your display ad should be visually appealing and aligned with your brand's identity. A clean, well-organized design with appealing visuals will capture the audience's attention more effectively. Avoid clutter and focus on simplicity for maximum impact. Uniqueness. A display ad that stands out from the competition is more likely to capture attention. Incorporate creative, original elements that differentiate your ad from others in the same space. Whether it's through design, messaging, or a unique selling proposition, make sure your ad feels fresh and innovative. Selling proposition. Highlight what sets your product or service apart from competitors. Whether it's a special feature, a limited time offer, or exceptional customer support, your unique selling proposition should be at the forefront of your ad's message. Multiple ad copy variations. A good practice is to create multiple versions of your ad copy. This allows you to test different headlines, CTAs, and visuals to see what resonates most with your audience. A/B testing can help identify which ad variations drive the best performance.